2024-25 Court Kings, $4. Pick your team number 22. Guess the first auto for 25 in Blez Bucks credits. Go. First auto for 25. Go. Yeah, those are great guesses. Mogbo, Da Silva. What's up, Jason? Welcome back, Tausma. Jason, are you a regular Blez customer? And if so, what is your screen name so we can get you modded? Hey, what up, Chrome? What's up, Alan? Alan's back. Hi, Chen. Alan, you're a Blez regular, right? What's your guys' screen names? If you guys have a breaking name, let me know. Yeah, I've seen you before, I think. How come you guys aren't modded? Let me mod both you gentlemen up. Yeah. But sometimes I gotta ask, because sometimes people have similar names, so I always ask. Yeah, you guys are Blez regulars. Alright, you guys are modded. You guys got the wrench. Good luck. Kobe White, Donovan. Ooh. Oh, hair apparent. Hair apparent. Come on. Durasic on the Ruby to 149? To 99, I'm sorry. Who guessed Durasic? Guarantee somebody should have guessed him. Bronny, Jacoby Walter, level 1, and Risha Shea on the level 2. Beverly. CJ McCollum. Wade on the base, watercolor, and Da Silva on the base. Ooh. That's a sick Buzelis patch. That's one of the cleaner patches I've hit of him. Max MT. Did I say the first auto? What I meant to say was the last auto, guys. That's what I meant to say. I might have accidentally said the first auto. I meant to say the last. I'm sorry. You know, Hammer, forgetting again. That Hammer guy. Too much snowboarding. I think I said the last auto. Let's roll it to the last. Let's roll it to the last. Yes, buddy. Last auto the case. So be the last auto, guys, is your guess. Carl Anthony Towns, Jared Allen. Another hair apparent. Did I say the last auto or the next auto, JP Mango? Pink of Jackie Cooey. 11 of 49. Level 1 of Connect. Level 1 of Smith. Level 2 of Missy. That's a nice Victor. Wells, Ruby of Duncan. That's a nice Stefan Castle also. 3 colors of Castle. Spurs, Sam Bickle. Spurs is a sharp spot. Spurs is a sharp spot. Yeah, I'm glad they did too. Payne, MPJ. Ooh. Ingram on the Amber. 14/75. I don't hit him all too often. Spurs again. Buzelis level 1. Topic level 1. Cody Williams on the 2. Jordan Poole on the red /149. Dame time. Buzelis. Ooh. There's a game worn of Luka. Kioske, I can't hit you in auto, but I can hit you a game worn patch of Lulu. Me and Kioske has been trying to get a Luka auto for probably close to 2 years. You guys, you know a name I've never heard for a while, now that I'm thinking about it? Mango would know, Krogos would know, a couple of you guys would know. What happened to Gertie? Of course, Jags would know. I haven't talked to Gertie in forever. He's made some brief appearances back sometime last year, and I said what's up to him, but I haven't seen Gertie. We used to hit him quite a few Luka autos back in the day. Here we go. Here's your last auto. Good luck. Poole, Franz. And it's another heir apparent. Anybody guess Cam Christie on the heir apparent auto /125? Edie level 1. Risha Shea level 1. And Jalen Tyson on the level 2. Embiid. Giannis. Booker is a base. Ooh. There's a nasty Zach Edey 3-color artistic endeavors. This patch set is hard to get a nice patch on. So if you get it, it's nice. I like this one a lot better because it's vertical also. Anybody guess Cam Christie was the auto guess? Auto guess. Recap. The patches were really nice in that set. And that was the break, guys. Prism 1 box is going to be next. We'll go right into Prism 1 box.